Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Jamaican beef patty. First we're going to start with some all-purpose flour in a bowl, some turmeric or curry, sugar, and salt. I'm going to incorporate all those ingredients. Then we're going to add whole cold butter to your mix. Use your fingertips to incorporate the butter into the flour. You're looking for a coarse or mealy consistency of the flour. So once that is done, add ice cold water to your mixture. Then again, you can use your fingertips to work the dough. You can do this in a mixing bowl, or you can do it directly on a cutting board or a flat working surface, your preference. Once you mix that, form the dough into a ball.